Looking for the ultimate comfort outdoors? The top 5 best reclining camp chair delivers unmatched relaxation, whether you're camping, fishing, or lounging by the fire. Lightweight, durable, and easy to carry, it's your perfect companion for every adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. WEJOY Reclining Camp Chair. The WEJOY Reclining Camp Chair is a versatile and comfortable outdoor seating option that excels in both functionality and convenience. Designed with a 4-position adjustable backrest, this chair allows users to customize their seating experience according to their needs, whether sitting upright for a conversation, reclining slightly for reading, or lying flat for a relaxing nap. Its 2-in-1 reclining design includes a detachable footrest, giving it the flexibility to function as a full lounge chair or a traditional armchair. Comfort is a top priority with this chair, featuring a cushioned pillow and supportive armrests, while the anti-slip foot covers and triangular bracket frame ensure stability and safety on various terrains. Built with durability in mind, it incorporates high-grade 600D Oxford fabric with a PE coating, providing excellent resistance against water and abrasion. The chair's frame is constructed from Q195 steel pipe with a protective plastic spray finish, delivering a robust and long-lasting structure capable of withstanding extensive outdoor use. Additional thoughtful features include a built-in cup holder and a convenient storage bag, making it easy to keep drinks and small items within reach. Whether you are camping, tailgating, or spending a day at the beach, the WEJOY Reclining Camp Chair offers a combination of comfort, stability, and practicality that enhances every outdoor experience. Its innovative design, durable construction, and adjustable functionality make it one of the best reclining camp chairs for anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors with style and ease. Number 2. Ever Advanced Reclining Camp Chair. The Ever Advanced Reclining Camp Chair is a practical and comfortable solution for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and portable seating option. Featuring a 120 degrees adjustable backrest, this chair provides 4 recline positions ranging from 90 degrees to 120 degrees, allowing users to enjoy a relaxed sitting experience whether reading, resting, or taking a quick nap. The reinforced back support bar ensures enhanced stability and comfort during extended use. Portability is one of this chair's standout features. Thanks to its quick fold design, it collapses into a compact size of 35 inches by 8.7 inches by 9.5 inches and weighs just 11.44 pounds, making it easy to store in a car trunk, closet, or take along for a camping trip, beach outing, or backyard event. Additional convenience is offered by side pockets and a cup holder, ensuring that essentials such as phones, drinks, or sunglasses are always within easy reach. Firm armrests provide stable support when sitting or standing, making it particularly suitable for elderly users or those needing extra stability. Built with dual-layer 300D polyester fabric and a thin cotton fill, this chair delivers soft yet supportive seating, while the heavy-duty steel frame in a triangular design guarantees durability and stability. Non-slip foot caps further enhance safety on uneven surfaces. Whether for outdoor adventures or backyard relaxation, the Ever Advanced Reclining Camp Chair combines portability, comfort, and durability, offering an exceptional user experience that meets the demands of any outdoor activity.
Number 3. Homall Reclining Camp Chair. The Homall Reclining Camp Chair is a premium zero-gravity chair designed to bring maximum comfort to outdoor and indoor settings alike. Fully assembled out of the box, this chair eliminates setup hassles, allowing users to enjoy a relaxing experience immediately. It is particularly suited for camping, beach trips, poolside lounging, or backyard relaxation. One of its most notable features is the lockable reclining system, which smoothly adjusts from 0 degrees to 145 degrees, allowing users to find the perfect ergonomic position for rest or reading. The chair is designed for comfort with a fully padded, detachable pillow and breathable fabric that keeps users cool even on hot summer days.
Its durable construction supports up to 300 pounds thanks to a robust steel frame and double bungee rope system that ensures long-lasting strength and stability. The chair's design mimics a zero-gravity position, distributing weight evenly and reducing stress on the body, which makes it ideal for extended relaxation periods. Its versatility allows it to be used in various locations, including lawns, patios, gardens, backyards, and poolside areas, making it a practical investment for anyone seeking comfort in multiple outdoor scenarios. With its combination of durability, ergonomic design, and premium comfort features, the Homall Reclining Camp Chair is an excellent choice for individuals who prioritize relaxation and ease of use, offering a zero-gravity experience that elevates ordinary outdoor seating to a spa-like level of comfort and support. Number 4. Ever Advanced Solid Back Reclining Camp Chair. The Ever Advanced Solid Back Reclining Camp Chair is engineered to offer versatility, comfort, and portability, making it an excellent addition to any outdoor adventure. Its 120-degree adjustable backrest allows users to recline at 4 different levels, providing flexibility for reading, resting, or even napping. The reinforced back support bar ensures stable and comfortable seating for long durations. Portability is a strong feature, as this chair folds into a compact 35 inches by 8.7 inches by 9.5 inches package weighing only 11.44 pounds and comes with a convenient carry bag for effortless transport. The chair includes thoughtful additions like side pockets and a cup holder for easy storage of essentials, while firm armrests provide additional support for sitting or standing. Built with dual-layer 300D polyester fabric and a thin cotton fill, it delivers soft yet supportive comfort, complemented by a durable steel frame designed in a triangular structure capable of holding up to 350 pounds. Non-slip foot caps provide added stability on uneven surfaces, making it safe for various terrains. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, it is ideal for camping, fishing, road trips, poolside lounging, patios, or balconies. With its combination of adjustable comfort, durability, and convenience, this ever-advanced reclining camp chair offers a reliable and versatile seating solution for anyone seeking an enjoyable outdoor or patio experience. Its compact portability and well-thought-out features make it a standout choice among reclining camp chairs. Number 5. Naturehike Solid Back Reclining Camp Chair. The Naturehike Solid Back Reclining Camp Chair is designed to provide both comfort and durability, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or backyard relaxation. Featuring a 2-position adjustable backrest, users can switch between a 90-degree upright position and a 145-degree reclined position for personalized comfort. Its 3-centimeter padded seat and extra-wide 27.6-inch design ensure ample space and support for extended periods of sitting. Built to last, the chair combines a high-quality alloy steel frame with 600D ripstop Oxford fabric, offering excellent resistance to wear and tear while supporting up to 265 pounds. The chair is equipped with a side pocket, perfect for storing small essentials such as drinks, snacks, or mobile devices, while the included carry bag makes transport and storage effortless. Quick setup and foldability allow it to be ready for use in seconds, eliminating cumbersome assembly or delays. Lightweight yet sturdy, this chair excels in outdoor environments where comfort and reliability are essential. Its solid construction ensures stability on uneven ground, while the padded backrest and seat offer a comfortable lounging experience comparable to higher-end models. Ideal for campers, hikers, or anyone seeking a reliable seating option, the Naturehike Solid Back Reclining Camp Chair provides a thoughtful balance of comfort, convenience, and durability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.